Okay, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is just I'm T-Boy. Today we are going to do analysis. Please, if you are just joining us, if you are watching this thing on YouTube, please don't forget to forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel because we are going to start analyzing this market according to NFP news today. But this evening, I want to analyze the NFT news, what's happened according to the previous video I did in the morning. Because this video is going to be a short video. Because I told them that the market is going to move today. The market is going to move today. This is the trade. This is the trade I entered in the morning. This is my trade. I entered this trade in the morning. This is AUD. This is AUD USD. Because because I did the video concerning this NFP news in the morning around 11 p.m. around 11 a.m. because I trade 4 hours candle. Because around this is a trade that closed by 11 a.m. in the morning. This is a trade that closed. I saw this trade. I saw this trade. This one closed by 7. I saw this trade. When I saw this trade, this trade just break this S1. And according to my CDI, I noticed that my CDI just broke this yellow line. I know that this market is going to move more. I entered this trade. At the end of the day, there was a momentum that pushed the trade up. At the end of the day, the trade just closed again down here. I hope you are seeing it and close. This one is a candle that formed by 3. This is a 3. This one is 3 p.m. candle. 3 p.m. candle. This one is 11. This one is 7. Look, I entered this there on this 11 a.m. candle. This one is the one. This one is the 3 p.m. candle. The one I entered by 11, there's momentum that moved it at the end of the day. It's now come and close under this S1. Under this S1. Why our CDI also cross this yellow line. And you know that I thought according to the video I did, I like taking my profit in 10 pip. This is the 10 pip where I entered the trade. This is around here. That the trade. This is my 10 pip in profits. I got it. I moved out of the trade because of where I worked. What I do, I don't have time to be checking my trade, check if it gets here or not. That one is just a lot. I don't have that time. I normally take 10 pip in profits. I move out because if I want to start watching what is happening, you know, I'm going to be using break anything. And the problem is that I don't like trading news. I don't trade NFT news. Today is just I don't trade NFT. Today is the first day I just trade NFT news. Why? Why I did that? It's not I did. Why I did that is because of my TDI showed me that it's going to come down. That's why I trade. At the end of the day, my 10 pip, this is 10 pip in profits. Fine. It's better you accumulate 10 pip at the end of the month. You have something to, you have your money in your account than trading 100 piece. 100 piece. When trade starts misbehaving, just you start shivering. Maybe at the end of the day, you just cut your trade when you're not supposed to cut it, or at the end of the trade may bounce back. You lose everything. But 10 pip in profit, you are good to go. Simple. Okay, this AUDGS, let me show you people what makes me to enter the trade, because I don't normally analyze my market with only this pivot and alligator and TD. I analyze my market with different trade views. Let me also share another screen so that you know the reason I enter the market. This is also another one. This one now, this one will show me the same TDI and another indicator that I also use to confirm the market, where the market is going. Because I'm proud to say that since over 3 months now, I have not lose any market, unless it's this month I lose only 2 markets. I make sure to analyze my market before I enter. That is it. This is what is happening. Are you seeing that same TDI? Are you seeing MACD? What MACD is doing? See where I enter the market here. Are you seeing that MACD have broke this zero line and it's ready, means that it's ready to sell? That is what, and that thing that gave me morale to enter the market. That is it. Let me share another screen. That's another one that gave me the morale because okay, this is another one again with my RSI 60 and 40. This is where the trade is. Are you seeing it? This one I'm using Hakenish candle, not Japanese candle. That is it. This is where this is, let me get where I enter the market. So I'm using Hakenish candle because Hakenish candle, where a candle, this is Hakenish candle. Are you seeing what is happening when you broke the S1? Are you seeing what is happening? It's still coming down. And it's according to Hakenish candle, it's telling us that it will go to this S2. Okay. Let me share another screen so that you can also see. Are you seeing this one? AUD. This is what is this one is TDI, how TDI broke here. Are you seeing what is happening? This one is telling us that it's coming to S2. Because it have, yeah, are you seeing what is happening? Okay, let me share another screen so that you can see everything. Yeah? And you can see what is happening to the market. This one is another one. Look at what's happening here. Look at all this. What happened that when I enter this market, the stochastic is still outside this 20. Stochastic is still under this 20, and my parabolic arc have shoot up to this black line to tell me that the market have enough momentum to move. And you see what is happening here is have a flat bottom to tell me that the trade still have enough momentum again to start to move down. Okay, but because of what Sanskrit is doing now, it's trying to cross this red line. Let's see whether it's because it's going to, it may start retesting before it may retest again before we see another sell. Okay, let me share another one. Okay, all these things indicators are used to analyze the market. The indicators are used to analyze the market. This one is my look at it. Are you seeing what is happening here? Did you see where you close? To tell you that there are enough of momentum in the market. And you see where it's going to. That is it. Let me share another one. Before I enter each market, I make sure that I check all these indicators, all these trade view, so that each of them will give me the signal. And each of them give me the signal. I'm good to go to enter any amount of level I want to enter, because I know that the market is going to buy or sell. But if this one is giving me another one, this one is giving me another thing, I don't join the market. This is another one. All this thing you are seeing here is what this one is my support and resistance line according to 6 months where market retest and where market bounce back. That is my support and resistance. That's what you are seeing here. That's another thing that gave me morale to join the market here. Are you seeing what is happening here? That is it. And it's possible, it's possible that the market is going to come back here, or it will get here. Today is NFP news. We don't know what is going to happen. Let's see what is going to happen in the market. Okay. Today, this evening I'm going to end there. I'm going to end here. And we should expect another one. I will still be dropping new videos every day, just to show you people how the market is behaving. But that is it. Okay, please, if you know you have not subscribed to this channel, please try to subscribe. Maybe in the next week or I'm going to start teaching on this site. I'm going to start teaching, and I'm going to be dropping all my teaching in my YouTube. Please make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel so that whenever I drop any video, you understand it. And I'm going to teach everything in a way that you understand it. Okay? Bye-bye. See you in the next video.